Welcome to the channel. It's Mary Z Easy Recipes. Today I have a special package. This package is from family. Let's open it together and see what is inside. So I have the knife here with me. Let's see what's inside. I need to be careful with this knife. Okay, it's open there. I open this side, then the middle part. So let's see what's inside here. Use my fingers. Wow, let's see. Let's see the revealing time now. Let's see. Wow, look at that. It says Luvele. So let's lift it up. Need to lift this up. It's a bit of a struggle to open it, so I need to pull it out. Wow, it's coming out now. This is the big reveal. Another cool. Wow, look at that. This is amazing. Look at that. It says Luvele Pure Plus Yogurt Maker. Wow. This is a yogurt maker. Oh, it's well packaged. Let's see. Let's open it and see how it looks like. The packaging is excellent. Luvele Pure Plus Yogurt Maker. Oh, beautiful design here. Look at that, the design. It's like a bowl and a big spoon. Wow, this is really magic. Wow, beautiful. So this is the pamphlet. It says Luvele love health. Oh, love life, love health. That's where the name is coming from, Luvele. So it's luvele.co.uk. Wow, beautiful. So this is the pamphlet in there. So I'll be reading to find out how to use this yogurt maker. So it says, what's cooking with Luvele? It also has a warranty. So let's see the big thing inside. Let's see the big thing inside. This is just for protection. So the gadget is here now. Oh, so there's this to charge the Luvele, and then let me lift. So we take it out now. Do it gently. The plastic is in here. There we are. That's the Luvele. Look at this gadget. It's first time to set my eyes on this gadget. I just saw it on the media, but now I have it, here. Thanks to family who thought of bringing this over here. So I'm just figuring out how to open it, because we need to access that cardboard there. It's beautiful, really. So let me. Oh, this, I keep on checking the name. Luvele, love life, love health. Look at that. Look at this gadget. It's well packaged, and there is some reinforcing tape here and then on all the sides. So I need to gently do the tape. I need to do the tape gently. Yes, getting there. This is just to keep it safe during the delivery. Yes, so I'm doing the tape. So this one, out it goes. Out it goes. And there's the third one here. This one. Just do it gently. This is a delicate gadget, so you need to do it gently. Oh, I love the color of this gadget. I wonder what color this is. Do it gently and lift it slightly. Now we are nearly getting there in the real thing. So this is the Luvele. So we want to access the cardboard. Wow. Just lift it gently. Beautiful lid. Look at that. Wow, I love this gadget. Before I even use it, it is beautiful. So here it says Luvele. And to check out this packaging. And there's another packaging at the bottom there. So let's lift this one and put it there. And we remove this packaging. So this is the base. I think, as you can see, it says warning. So this is the base of the Luvele. So this is the base, and it acts as the incubator. And you plug here. So this plug here, you plug here so that it starts working. Look at that. And the base, that's the base here, and it can sit well on the surface. It can sit well like this, so it sticks well on the surface. And this one is the important thing. This is the glass container where everything will be happening. Remember, it's a yogurt maker, so the fermentation obviously will be taking place inside the glass maker. So it sits here, sits there, and this is the lid. This is the lid for the glass, and we have another tube here. I think it's also for reinforcing. It's called Luvele. So this is our Luvele yogurt maker, which we just received. So this is the Luvele yogurt maker. I'm just putting this back where it was. I can't wait to try this yogurt maker. So I'm just, putting it as it was, so that we are going to find out more information from the pamphlet here, and then we make the yogurt. So I need to close it gently here. This is the Luvele. And please guys, do remember to subscribe to the channel and come back to watch when I make this yogurt. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we are going to put this away and wait for the day when we'll be making the yogurt. Thanks everybody for watching this